Hello everybody, welcome back to Santa's Workshop and to my very dirty workshop. I need to clean up. Tomorrow night I'm going to paint. Yay! But anyways, what we're here for tonight is Orion Motor Tech sent me an SAE and metric thread repair kit, and I have got the perfect item to use this on. It's not a motor. It's something completely that you wouldn't think about using a helicoil on. It's Mr. J's pickup. Where the fenders bolt on up top, the threads, they were a fine thread, and they have just absolutely stripped out. What I'm wanting to do is I want to show you this kit though. Comes with the helicoils, the drill bit, the tap, the screw down, and the breaker. That's so you can pop it down in there and break it out. But we got metric and we have standard. All the helicoils and everything you need. Not sure what the Allen wrench is for, but I'm sure I'll find out. But anyways, I found a bolt that is very similar in size to what I need for this. This is one of the bolts that came out. Come on, get you in focus here. There it is. You can see how pretty those threads are. Not, but you can see this bolt is right at the same size minus the threads. Well, I could tap it, but there wouldn't be hardly any thread in that hole for that to catch on to. So what I want to do is I want to drill it, tap it, helicoil it, put that helicoil in with some Loctite, and we're going to fix this. That way we don't have to tear into this to put another nut welded in there. Alright, I think I found the one I need. It fits on there good and tight. Now then, to find the one we need here for it, I believe that is the jewel. That says M10. Oh, hang on here. I was wrong. This is the metric side. I thought they usually mark metric in blue. That's what I get for not reading the instructions. I've helicoiled before. I don't need no stinking instructions. Famous last words. It should be 3/8. Yep, that feels pretty good there too. Okay. Now then, this is the 3/8 one, and we'll get the drill bit. That's what the Allen wrench is for. It's got a depth stop, so you can stop it when you get into the depth you want. That's pretty cool. One thing this did not come with was the handle for your taps. So you'll have to use a handle that you already have, which that is not a problem. Alrighty. Right through it like butter. Alright. Put us a little bit of cutting through lube on there. Since I can't find my extended handle, I'm going to be forced to do it the hard way. Alright, now then, I want to get me a little bit of a brake clean, spray that out, and we can set it in there. Alright, now that the brake clean has dried, I'm going to mix up a very small amount of JB Weld, because I do not even want the chance of this helicoil coming out. Whew. I think that's been sitting here in the heat just a little too long. Alright. Hang on a second while I go find something to stir with. Now then, I do not need very much of this at all. I just want to make sure I get it good and stirred, because I am just going to put a very little bit on the outside of the threads of that helicoil. Get that nice gray look here. That ought to work. As you can see, I'm not putting very much on that at all. Good one. Down a little bit. There you go. Thank you. As you can see, I'm not putting very much on this at all, just getting them on the threads. Bryson, could you grab me a paper towel, please, sir? There's one hanging under the tool cart too. And we have our tool. And there, we'll let that dry. But the only thing we got left to do is to break that off in there. Break that little tab off on the bottom side. And that is it. Other side, same as this side. No sense in showing you twice. But guys, this is one heck of a little kit. I mean, it comes with all the tools you need. This is your little break-off tool. Go down in there, you just push and break it. And we got our drill bit and our tap. There's our tap right there. We'll put it back. Oh, other way. And that's it. Very simple, very nice. Orion Motor Tech, thank you for so much. Here's our user manual. And we got gloves that I didn't even use. But we're going to be using this in the shop quite a bit. And every time we do, we're going to give them a shout out. Link will be in the description. And I will throw the price up here on the page. And that's going to be it for this one. Thank y'all so much. Check them out. They've got a lot of other nice tools and everything on there. Hopefully we'll be able to work again with them soon. Orion Motor Tech, thank you. And thank y'all for joining me. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.